Hi students, problem number 8. Verify the given Boolean equation A plus A complement into B is equal to A plus B using truth table. Now for the given expressions, I have made a truth table. So let us begin with the values of A and B. So always you have to keep it in mind that the values of A and B here as well as in logic gates you have to write in ascending order. So A and B must be written as 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and then 1 1. So now we are going to verify the left hand side first. If A equal to 0 means A complement is equal to 1. Similarly here also 1. When A is equal to 1 means A complement is equal to 0. So here also it is a 0. Now the next column is A complement multiplied with B. So these two you have to multiply. You take care, these two you are going to multiply. So 1 into 0 is how much? 0. 1 into 1 is 1. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. Okay students? What is the next column? We have to add A with this A complement B. So this is A complement B and here is A. Can you see these two columns? First column and the fourth column. These two we are going to add. So 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Again 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Have you all understood? Now you see the last column is nothing but the output of which logic gate? OR gate. A plus B. Is it not? We definitely know that OR gate will give the output when any one of the inputs is high. Therefore 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is also 1. So in the examination when such questions are asked means very clearly you have to make the columns in the truth table such that the last two must be equal. Then only the paper evaluator will fetch you full marks. You yourself will not be confused. So here and there randomly you don't make the truth table. As guided to you, you make the truth table in a attractive manner. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.